Start by adding softened unsalted butter and sifted icing sugar to a mixing bowl. Beat them together on medium speed until the mixture looks light and pale. This helps to create that classic shortbread texture by incorporating just enough air for a tender bite. Now in go the zest, juice, and a splash of orange extract for that bold citrus kick. Mix it all together. Don't worry if it looks a bit separated. Once the dry ingredients are in, it will come together perfectly. Time to sieve in the cake flour, corn flour, and salt. This helps get rid of lumps and makes mixing easier. Now gently mix the dough by scraping and pressing the mixture together. Gradually, it will start to come together into a soft dough. No need to mix it all the way yet. We will fold in the chocolate chips next, and mixing too much now can make the dough tough. Once the dough starts to come together softly, it's time to add the chocolate chips for a little extra crunch. Chocolate and orange are a match made in heaven. They complement each other perfectly. I'm using dark chocolate chips here, but you can swap them for semi-street, white, or even leave them out altogether. Either way, these shortbread cookies will still taste delicious. Mix until there are no dry spots left and the ingredients are fully combined. Now the dough is ready, simple and quick, just how we like it. Sandwich half the dough between two sheets of parchment paper. This way, you can roll it out easily without adding extra flour, keeping the dough's perfect consistency. Roll the dough out to 6 mm thick or to your preferred thickness. Just keep in mind that thicker cookies will require more time in the oven, so keep an eye on them as they bake. Repeat the same rolling process with the remaining dough. Once rolled, place both dough sheets on a baking tray to keep them flat while chilling. Chill for at least 30 minutes or until firm to the touch. The dough is now chilled and firm. This is the secret to getting those sharp, clean edges after baking. I'm using a 55mm round cookie cutter here, but feel free to use any shape or size you like. Make sure to line your baking tray with parchment paper before cutting the cookies. Now cut out the cookies as close together as possible to minimize the need for re-rolling the dough. Carefully transfer the cut-out cookies onto the lined baking tray, spacing them about an inch apart. They won't spread much during baking, so no need to leave too much room between them. Gather the leftover dough, roll it out again between parchment paper, and continue cutting until all the dough is used. Feel free to chill the rolled dough again if it gets too soft. This helps maintain those sharp edges when baked. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius fan for around 20 to 25 minutes, or until the edges turn golden brown. If your cookies are different in thickness, keep an eye on them. Burnt cookies is the last thing we want. They smell incredible and they look absolutely perfect, don't they? After about 10 minutes on the baking tray, once they are cool enough to handle, transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. Just look at it. Chocolate and orange, buttery and delicate. These cookies tick all the boxes and are everything I love in a shortbread. Fragrant, buttery, and full of flavor. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed baking along with me. If you give these cookies a try, let me know how they turned out. I would love to hear from you. The full recipe is linked in the descriptions below, along with extra tips to help you get that perfect shortbread texture every time. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves a cozy bake. Got a question or just want to say hi? Leave a comment. I always enjoy chatting with fellow home bakers. And of course, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. As always, thanks so much for being here. Your support really means a lot. If you love citrusy bakes, I'm sure you will enjoy my lemon shortbread with lemon icing. It's zesty, buttery, and finished with a sweet lemony glaze. Click the screen to watch next. I will see you there. Until then, happy baking!